Today, I will show you how to uninstall or remove apps and programs in Windows 11. There are different ways to remove apps and programs, so if you can't find the one you're looking for, you can try another location. Note that some apps and programs are built into Windows and can't be uninstalled. Uninstall from the Start menu. Select Start and look for the app or program in the list shown. Press and hold or right-click on the app, then select Uninstall. Uninstall from the Settings page. Select Start, then select Settings, Apps, Apps and Features. Select the app you want to remove. Click on three dots, and then select Uninstall. Uninstall from the Control Panel for Programs. In the search box on the taskbar, type Control Panel and select it from the results. Select Programs, Programs and Features. Right-click on the program you want to remove and select Uninstall. Then follow the directions on the screen. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.